You know those Boston Dynamic videos where they've got like the robot dog that can open a door? That's what this flies like.
You can get some pretty stunning footage, unlike anything I've been able to get with a manually controlled quadcopter.
There's just no doubt that this is the best autonomous drone, or for that matter, device, that I've ever seen.
This thing is massively beyond any of the tracking capabilities of any of the DJI stuff. I can't emphasize enough, this is absolutely amazing.
And the type of footage you can get is a whole fresh take on drone cinematography.
The R1 blows every tracking and obstacle avoidance feature that I've ever seen on any DJI drone right out of the water.
It's a technology that I really didn't expect us to have in 2018. It's the first fully autonomous drone. We could do all these amazing shots so easily. It does feel magical.
The way it flies looks almost like it has a brain of its own, like it's its own human.
That's amazing.
Absolutely incredible. It just followed me through the warehouse. Went over and under the lines. Holy crap. It's actually following me.
Are we witnessing something like totally new? I have never seen this. This is unbelievable.
It is the coolest, most active tracking drone out there. End of story, period.
It's following me so well. I can't believe how well this works.
What is this sorcery?
Are you shitting me?
Blow your mind AI that lets you get shots you've never been able to get before.
I think that lives up to what it advertised.
It works fantastically well.
It's like a little buddy, like it feels like it's alive. It's my little pet drone.
And there's just so much potential in the future for this type of technology. It might even change the way we think about consumer drones and camera drones in the future.
Like, this isn't a small step up in tracking and following technology. This is a quantum leap.
I can't wait to see what they do next.